So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick. And at first I was like, what's the big deal about gelatin, right? But then I started digging into the science behind it, and it's actually pretty fascinating. The gelatin trick works because gelatin is rich in amino acids that help heal and seal the gut lining, which is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. When you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function more efficiently. I mean, think about it, when your gut is happy, you feel more balanced, your energy levels are stable, and you wake up without that sluggish feeling. The gelatin trick is all about creating a healthy gut environment, and that's what makes it so effective. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description for a detailed walkthrough. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment below where I've shared some additional tips and resources to get you started with the gelatin trick.